Like we have done on our previous video regarding Facebook account security, we'll be doing this on this very WhatsApp account. So what you do once you are on your WhatsApp account, just navigate into these three buttons, click on it, you can see the more options, then you see the settings, click on the settings, you can see a lot of things that you'll be able to do with your very account. But for this very video, our concentration is going to be on how to secure our account. So you click on account, you can see privacy and you can see security. You click on security, you can see security notification, but this is not where we are going to be working on. Our concentration is going to be on this two-step verification. So you click on this two-step verification, you can see mine is disabled. Sorry, mine is enabled. So you can click on this and activate your PIN. This very one. You can click and activate a PIN. Then this is your email. You can click on this and you set your email. So as soon as you go with this, if I should insert my email now, this account will be activated. Let me see. You can see our next. You can see it's requesting that I confirm the email. So you see, I'll click on save. You can see the email has been activated. Same thing with the password. You can click on the password and you activate a password, a login password, so that whenever you want to log into your account, you'll be requested to activate that, to include that password, and you will be having access to your account. With that, your account is secure from any outsider from getting access into your Facebook without your prior notice.